All right, we just got to our first spot here. Gonna try and catch some fish. I'm not sure what kind of fish we're gonna catch. This is my first time saltwater fishing, so hopefully we don't catch anything too crazy. But hopefully we do catch something. It's pretty gnarly out here. It's a little different than bass fishing for sure, but I am using my bass rod because that's all I got. But yeah, let's see if we can't make it happen. Get bit? First cast, fish on.
Little trout.
Little trout. Hey. Hold still, hold still, hold still. Look at that. First trout. First cast. Wow, he's got some teeth. Ouch. Gonna have to get some pliers on this little girl. Sweet! Oh, that's cool. Let's see here. How do we hold these? That thing is cool.
Yeah, they're pretty, aren't they?
Yeah. Not bad for my first trout. I like that. A little different than a brown trout. Spot number 2. First spot was okay. The wrong kind of fish, I guess. We got 2 trout and 1 lizard fish. Lizard fish was pretty gnarly. Let's see what else we can hook into. Oh, oh. There he is. That feels like a little better fish. Oh yeah, this is definitely a better fish. Not huge fish, but it feels better than the last 2 I caught. Oh, maybe not. Man, he felt way bigger than that.
Oh, that might be a silver trout.
You a silver trout? Hold still, hold still. Oh. Hear that? Oh. Whew.
I got a silver. These are keepers.
These are keepers?
Yeah.
Fish
like,
tacos.
Yeah, they're like
Nice.
They're like.
Oh, little turd. Got him. Oh yeah. Oh, I snagged him. I was gonna say I got a giant. Come here. Is that a snook?
It looks like a ladyfish. Yeah.
Ladyfish?
Yeah, we can use him for bait too.
Hey, bait fish. Nice.
You can throw him right in that back hole there.
Okay. Okay. Everything's all good? You just make my thing a knot, that's all. Ladyfish? Oh. He's gonna be some bite. This little one back here?
Yeah.
Oh, man. Spot number 3, dropping anchor. Alright, tie this anchor out here. See if we can't catch us some big old fish on this spot here. Oh! Back-to-back casts. Slippery. Little bugger. Oh, you're messing up my thing. Nice.
Better set him. Yeah, set him.
Got him.
Got him?
Oh yeah.
Shark on.
Shark on.
Make sure the drag isn't too tight.
It's not too big, I don't think.
Okay.
It feels pretty good though.
You got here. You want that thing for your stomach?
Yeah.
There you go. I'll pull this one in.
Shark on, baby! Oh! Go! I see him.
Oh, there he is.
Oh, is that blacktip?
Yeah.
Oh, I got a shark on that. Ah. Look at that beast. Look at that beast. Look at that beast.
Get him up again.
Holy cow, look at that. This thing is huge. This thing is huge. Oh, this is awesome. Oh, coming over your head. Oh.
Hour and 45 minutes later.
This heart is hard as fire. Oh. Look at that thing. Is that a baby shark underneath him?
Is that your bait?
No, I bet it's above him. So I just grab him?
Yeah, no, well, no, all I do is cut the lead. Get him up here again.
Yeah, get him up with the sun shining.
You didn't see him good?
Well, I did, but you can see him a lot better when the sun's shining.
Come on. Well, you can pop that hook. See the baby shark on his belly? You don't think you can get that hook?
I don't know.
Do you want to get your hand by his mouth?
I'll get the hook out of there.
Isn't that fun? Just go ahead. Just go ahead. There he goes.
Oh, sweet. That was sweet! Whew, congratulations.
Thank you.
Huh? First shark, man. That was awesome.
What was that, about 2 feet?
Yeah, 2 or 3 feet.
At least 2.5. My arm.
Yeah.
His arm. Oh. Alright, we just got our fish all cleaned up. Got back to the house after a long day out on the water. Awesome, awesome day. This is like my first day of doing this inshore. I'm not sure what this kind of saltwater fishing is. I would say inshore. I'm saying inshore saltwater fishing is what I'm going to call it. This is my first time, so I caught my first trout on my first cast. I caught my first silver trout, catfish, sail cat or something like that. Other catfish, regular catfish, ladyfish, lizardfish, snapper, all kinds of crazy fish today. And we caught, between the three of us, we probably caught, 150, 200 fish at least. What a great day. Caught my first shark ever. That was awesome too. My dad had 3 on and they all broke his line, which sucks, but it happens when you know, after a shark with all them teeth and what have you. So, but all right, I'm gonna get out of here. The mosquitoes are getting bad. Sun's going down. But hey, you guys know what to do. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. Drop a comment down below if you want to know more about my sweet saltwater adventure that I had today. And I'll see you next time. Peace out, guys.